Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram highlights not working. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android, and at the bottom right, let's tap on that profile button. Now we need to get to your settings to make sure those highlights are working to be able to add those old stories. So tap on those three lines at the very top right. And now within here, you can see midway down is archive. There it is. Tap on archive right under saved. And sometimes it defaults to post archive like it did for me. So I'm going to tap on that and switch to stories archive. Now within here, we need to make sure all of those old stories that you're posting are archived. So then you can tap on it and add it as a highlight. So to do that, we're going to tap at the top right, those three dots, and we're going to get to your settings for your stories archive. It says save story to archive. If this is toggled off, it won't work to create those highlights. So make sure to turn this on. And now after that, you can just tap on any of these and tap on highlight, and you'll be able to add it to your highlights. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.